Happiness in a bowl. Thank you so much for joining me today, and as always, I'm excited to share this new recipe with you. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. So let's get started. Today's recipe involves a favorite, so let's see how else we can spice up your chicken. Let's begin with the spices. We have black pepper, paprika, and the garlic powder. Next, we have salt and baking powder. The baking powder is an alternative to the corn flour. Before we all grew up and started to count calories, yes, you heard me, count calories. Food coated in flour and deep fried in hot oil often tasted amazing, and it still does, and this recipe is no exception. The next ingredient complementing the flour is the buttermilk. We have eggs. And now to our star ingredient for this recipe, we have our chicken wings. Start by cutting the wing into 3 parts: the drumette, the wingette, and the tip. And we will start by dividing the wings into 3 parts. We will only be making use of the drumette and the wingette. As you can see, I made use of the soft chicken. It makes it easy for the knife to cut through it. The first thing that needs to be done is marinating. Marinate the chicken from 30 minutes up to 8 hours to allow it marinate properly. To marinate, there's only one spice to be used, and that is the paprika. Truthfully, this is my first time of trying paprika, so I'm really looking forward to tasting the outcome. Next, combine the chicken wings with the buttermilk and cover from about 30 minutes to 8 hours, or however you may choose to do so. Properly mix the rest of the dried ingredients together with the flour. The cooking steps are quite simple and straightforward. All you need to do is take each chicken wings out of the buttermilk mixture one at a time, coat the chicken wings in flour, then dip in egg and coat again in flour. Repeat the process until all the pieces are coated. And trust me, this was a struggle between my spoon and my hands. You will need to make use of a deep pot in frying the wings. Now we will deep fry the wings in hot oil. Allow each side to fry for about 8 to 10 minutes on low heat. Remember to do this in batches so as not to overcrowd the pot. Just in case you're wondering if it cooks well, yes, it does. It is well cooked, and this is why you cook for about 8 to 10 minutes on low heat. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as my companies enjoyed eating them. Until the next time, I am the Uninspired Cook.